Welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Fumi Oyelakin, and today's tutorial is about egg crunchies. We're going to make egg crunchies today. To make egg crunchies, you need fabric of your choice. You can use any fabric. Then you need elastic, you need pin. To cut it out, don't forget you need scissors as well, and your tape rule for measurement. I cut those ones out. So the measurement we'll be working with is 30 inches length, 30 inches length, and 6 inches width. That means we're using 30 inches by 6 inches. So at the width side, which is 6 inches, when you fold your fabric, you are going to run a stitch across it. You join it together. Now when you finish joining together, this is what you have. You open it with the wrong side out, that is where you run your stitch. Then you fold it. You flip from one end to another so that we'll be able to make a tube. We still want to run a stitch across both sides, so we'll be having a tube. You flip the other side on top of this one. Now in making this one, you have to be very careful. Though there are so many ways you can join it, but this is my most preferred method. As you are stitching, you'll be pulling, because as you are stitching, you are joining, there will be some inside, so you'll be pulling so that it can make way for the one you are yet to join, just like what you are seeing in this video. Now before you come to the end of it, insert your 2 fingers so that you create a space, that is a hole, which will make it easier for you to pull it out. Now everything is on the wrong side now, so the space you leave, you are going to use that side to pull out the one that is inside, so that the wrong side will go inside while the right side will come outside. I hope you understand that grammar. Just watch the video keenly. Watch it well. You can see. Then you keep pulling out. Yes, pull. If this is your first time of watching, coming to my channel, thank you. I really appreciate you. And for those who have been supporting my channel, thank you for your support. I'm already 350 subscribers. Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe as well to my channel for me to grow as well with you. Now we are still pulling, still in the habit of pulling. Pulling is not as difficult as you think. It's very easy, but to make it easier for you, I have to slow it down. Now when you pull it out, this is what you have. We now have a tube. You can decide to press it, you can decide to leave it. I always leave it because I love it to be having bokeh effect. So the hole you leave, we are going to insert our elastic. The elastic measurement is 8 inches. You are going to make use of the small elastic that is about half inches. Yes, elastic is about half inches. That is the width. So we're going to use 8 inches length. Use your safety pin to hold it so that you can now insert it into the tube that you make. Now while inserting it into the tube, you need to secure the elastic so that the elastic will not get lost in the tube. So secure the elastic with a pin at the other side. Then you continue to put the elastic through. Like I said, the reason for using this is to secure it so that it will not get lost. If it gets lost, then you have to start all over again. So pass the elastic through to the other side. Like I said, thank you for supporting. Subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together. This is one of the business you can do at home. If you have maybe you are thinking of a business to do as a student, don't mind me this morning. As a student or as a stay-at-home mom, you can do this you can make more money from it and sell. Or maybe you are a fashion designer, or you are looking for small project to do and make money. You can do this. You can use various designs of fabric to do this. Now you tie the elastic. If you have excess, you cut it so that you will not budge. Now the scrunchies is ready, so you don't need to use rubber band to hold your hair again. You can make use